Last month, I was completely broke, and I mean paycheck to paycheck broke. I didn't have $20 to spend on some fancy AI subscription everyone on YouTube is flexing. So I gave myself one rule. Every tool I use has to be free. $0. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you 6 apps that are actually free, not 7-day trial free, that people are using right now to make real money. No fluff, no fake screenshots. Let's get into it. Before I list these out, I want to say something a lot of channels won't tell you. Free doesn't mean effortless. These tools speed up the work. They don't do the work for you and hand you a paycheck. If a video promises you'll get rich doing nothing, that's not realistic, and I'm not going to lie to you like that. What these apps do give you is a massive head start. Stuff that used to take a professional years to learn, you can now do in an afternoon. That's the actual opportunity here. So let's break down the 6 I genuinely recommend. First up, and honestly the most obvious one, ChatGPT free tier. If you've been living under a rock, this is the AI chatbot that can write, brainstorm, and edit almost anything. Here's the side hustle angle, freelance writing. You don't need to be some literary genius. Small businesses need product descriptions, email newsletters, and social media captions constantly, and most of them hate writing that stuff. You use ChatGPT to draft it fast, you edit it to sound human, and you sell it as a service on Fiverr or Upwork. I want to be real with you. The free tier has limits. You'll hit a usage cap depending on demand. But for someone starting out with zero budget, it's more than enough to land your first few clients before you'd ever need to pay for anything. Second one, Canva, and specifically its AI features on the free plan. If you can't design to save your life, same. Honestly, Canva's Magic Write and Background Remover let you make things that actually look professional. No design degree required. The side hustle here is social media graphics for small businesses. Think about your local coffee shop, a gym, a small Etsy seller. They all need Instagram posts, and they mostly have zero idea how to make them look good. You offer a simple package. I'll design 10 posts a month for $50, and you build all of it inside Canva's free tools. This one's beginner-friendly on purpose. If you've never designed anything before, start here. Number 3, and this one's for anyone even slightly interested in video, CapCut. It's a free video editor with AI-powered auto captions, and captions alone can boost how long people actually watch your videos. Huge deal for anyone doing short-form content. The hustle, faceless content. You don't need to show your face, you don't need expensive camera gear. You can create short clips, motivational content, niche tips, even repurposed long-form videos cut into shorts, and grow a page from scratch, or offer editing services to creators who don't have time to edit their own stuff. This is genuinely one of the lowest barrier options on this list. Fourth, and this one flies under the radar, Perplexity. It's a free AI research tool, kind of like a search engine that actually reads and summarizes for you. Here's an angle most people don't think about: selling research. Businesses, students, even other content creators need quick, accurate research all the time and don't have hours to dig through Google. You use Perplexity to pull together fast, well-sourced summaries, competitor analysis, market trends, whatever the client needs, and you sell that as a service. It sounds simple because it is simple, but simple and useful is exactly what people pay for. Fifth one is a bit more advanced, but stick with me, Zapier. Zapier connects your apps together and automates repetitive tasks. No coding needed. The free plan gives you a handful of automated workflows and task runs a month, enough to actually build something useful. The hustle, small business automation. A lot of small businesses are drowning in manual, repetitive work, sending the same follow-up emails, updating spreadsheets by hand. You set up a simple automation for them once, charge a flat setup fee, and you're done. Businesses will pay real money for something that saves them hours every single week. This one takes a bit more learning up front, but it also tends to pay better once you get good at it. Last one, Notion, using its free plan and built-in AI features. Notion's great for organizing information, and its AI can summarize, draft, and organize content inside your workspace. The hustle here: build and sell templates, planners, content calendars, business trackers. People pay for ready-made systems that save them the work of building it themselves. You make it once with AI helping you draft the structure, and then you can sell that same template over and over. That's the part one like about this one. It's not trading time for money, it's building something once. Real talk before I wrap up. None of these apps are magic. They're leverage. The people who actually make money with these are the ones who pick one from this list, actually practice with it, and go find one real client or one real audience. Not the people who download all 6 and never open any of them. If I had to pick just one to start with today, with 0 experience and 0 budget, I'd start with Canva or CapCut. Lowest barrier, fastest to see a result. If this helped, subscribe. I'm testing one new AI money method every week, good or bad, and I show you the real results, not just the highlight reel. See you in the next one.